Hello everyone, and today is a drawing video that well, I didn't do these kind of like normal videos in a while, so well, at least like 10 or 9 days, because I want to at least keep you guys updated on that. And today I'm going to be drawing the N64, one of my favorite video game consoles. So I'm going to start drawing right now. Start off with the back right here. Going to draw like this with angle right here. I'm going to draw like a circle right here. It's kind of tricky to draw because, it's a video game console with a lot of rectangles on it and stuff. At least for, it's not as like simple as like a GameCube, but the GameCube was just shaped like a box and stuff. I'm just going to like, let's see. Yeah, like that. I'm going to draw like the inner sides of it. I'm going to draw like the middle of it, like this. I guess you can see a little bit of it. I mean, this won't be my best drawing ever, but at least it'll come close at least. I'm not really used to drawing video game consoles, but I decided to draw something new for once. So I'm not drawing the same exact thing all the time. So I'm going to draw the cartridge that's inside the console. This is a new drawing, so guys can go easy on me on that one at least. This is the start button, I think. Yeah, this is the start right here. And this is the reset right here. And the reset on the side. And I think the battery package in the front is used for some video games and stuff. Right now it looks kind of ugly because, I'm going to I'm going to draw the 4 controller ports. This look a little off, at least from. I will do some corrections in the middle of the video as well. And I'm going to draw the controller as well. I'm drawing this from a side view on my iPad. Yeah, I can show you guys later on the video how I'll draw it and stuff. On to draw the controller. Going to draw the start button, the joystick. The A and B buttons, the controller C buttons that are smaller, the D-pad right here, and the Nintendo symbol on the front of it, controller. Yep. I guess that's a side view of the Nintendo 64 at least like an up perspective of it. The console obviously looks horrible because I'm not used to drawing video game consoles, but still is kind of close to it, to what the Nintendo 64 looks like. And as you see here, I'm trying to do a perspective drawing on the console right here to my iPad. And it's like I made a more downward position right here to make it easier that way. So yeah, that's my drawing of the N64. And I'm probably going to draw the cartridge as well. The cartridge is kind of like here. Yeah, the cartridge is kind of like this with the imprint of the game that you play and stuff. And a cool history about the N64. My older brother, used to have an N64, and during the 2000s, my brother gave his N64 to my sister Nisi, my younger sister. Or at least, well, yeah, my younger sister, and she and me and her used to play it all the time and stuff. We used to play the N64 all the time. And it would be like fun times at least one on different countries and stuff. Yeah, and that's my drawing of the N64, and that's it.